Stock Sumo here with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. We're going to take a quick look at Renuen Corp, RENU, traded on the pink sheets. Looking at the RSI is starting to show some serious strength. Looks like it's ready to get up into the power zone. Recently, the RSI busted through the 50 MA overlay and has been holding over the 50 MA overlay as support. The RSI is pointing north. Anything between 70 and 90 is the power zone. Look what happened the last two times the RSI got up in the power zone. The stock went for a wild run. Back here in May, it ran from 0019 up to 0073. In January, February range, it was trading in the 0018, 0019 range, all the way up to a penny. Since those two previous runs, we've had a consolidation, and as of recently, the stock broke above the moving averages, and it's been holding support off of these moving averages. I really like how the 20-day moving average recently came through and crossed through all the other moving averages. That's a golden cross right there. We got the 20-day passing through the 200, the 50, and now the 100-day moving averages. In the meantime, the stock is making higher highs and higher lows, which confirms that we're in an uptrend. Looking at the PPO recently crossed over at the end of July. That's a bullish signal. Notice the blue bars on the histogram have stayed to the bullish side since that cross, and the PPO lines are starting to split apart even more, which is a very good sign. I'd like to see these bars on the histogram continue to stack up to the positive side. Meanwhile, the PPO is holding above the 50 MA overlay. Same with that slow stow. The slow stow is getting some nice action to the upside. It's holding above the 50 MA overlay, and both the PPO and the slow stow have held above that 50 MA overlay since the stock broke above these moving averages. So I like what we're seeing here with the RENU chart. There's been a recent increase in volume right here, and the stock has been breaking out of this channel. If the RSI can get up in the power zone, we could continue to see a nice breakout. Key resistance points are going to be 0073 and 01. Those were our previous swing highs. Definitely want to keep RENU on our watch list. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to stop by BlueHorseshoeStocks.com for updates on Renuen Corp.